Hello dear friends. Here I'm going to show you how you could make 3 kinds of challah with an apple in the middle of it, which will hold your honey. You could make like a pull-apart round challah with 4 balls, with 6 balls, with 8 balls, and putting the apple in the middle. You can make a braid with 3 strands, or you could make a twist with 2 strands. Just twist your challah and put it around in a circle with the apple inside and bake it that way. I am going to make the round challah with 4 strands, the one that we make like a hashtag, and we're going to put our apple in the middle. I have both the challah recipe in my YouTube We Cook Together channel and a 4-strand round challah. We'll cut the top of the apple, put some lemon juice and refrigerate it with cellophane till we're ready to cover it. When it's hot, I like to line up my baked goods so I can bake them all together at the same time. Here you could see in quick motion, you could see how the apple in the middle, it shrinks a little bit, and in order to make it look higher, when I take the challah out of the oven, I place some foil in the bottom of it. And then I scrape off some of that apple and put it together with the honey in the middle. Thank you so much. I'm very happy and excited to share this recipe with you.